How to mute status on WhatsApp in iPhone. So all you have to do is to tap on your WhatsApp application here and it will lead you here to your chat section, right? Now there's actually two options how to mute status on WhatsApp in iPhone. Then first is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options. You'll see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. So tap on status here. And as you can see, I don't have any recent updates from my friends here, but if you'll see one, what you can do is to tap on that contact and long press them, and basically you can tap on mute to the contact status of to that specific contact. Then the other way for this, for example, I don't have any here, but I just want to mute status on WhatsApp. Then what you can do is to tap here on the gear icon or the settings, and it will lead you here, and then tap on privacy. Now under privacy, you will see the first section there. You'll see last seen online, profile photo, about, groups, and status. Tap on the status there, and here you will see my contacts accept, and then only share with. Now, to be able to mute a specific status, then what you can do is go here to your contacts and then tap on the contact that you want to specifically mute here. And then if you're done, tap on done here. And then now, as you can see here, who can see my status updates on WhatsApp? You have now excluded these two contacts on the upper part here. And basically, that is how you mute status on WhatsApp and iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.